time lapse of the entire universe. That's the video we are reacting to today, guys. After this, we will also be doing time lapse of the future. So this video is about time lapse from the start of the universe to now, and then the next video that we do will be time lapse from now till the end of the universe. That video is way longer, it's like half an hour. This video is 10 minutes, so I guess we can do this. So it looks like a pretty cool video. It's going to be a quick time lapse of the universe from beginning till now. So let's see what we can learn. Right, let's go. We are going on a journey. Billion unfolding in 10-minute scale on the Big Bang to today. Every second is 22 million years. Damn. Yeah, because humans haven't been around for that long. We've been around what? 10,000, 100,000 years, 10,000 years, something like that. So yeah, according to this scale, we won't even be here in a fraction of a second. Universe begins in 3, 2, 1. Boom. That's cool. Look at the time going like
a primordial cloud of gas and cosmic
right at the bottom.
Gravity forged the stars.
Oh, it's Brian Cox. I love Brian Cox. Already 500 million years in.
Gravity connects star systems together in vast galaxies and steers them on their journey through unbounded space. The relentless flow of time has driven the evolution of the universe and created extraordinary wonders.
So you can see like things swirling together as gravity pulls them in. Oh, you've already got galaxies forming.
Some galaxies form so close together that they're locked in a gravitational embrace. What a magnificent sight it would be.
Alright, bro. I mean, if you looked at this in terms of, you know, our time scale, let's say like 50 years of your life, you looked at this, you'll see barely anything happening. Because look how fast the time's moving at the bottom. Like in millions of years it takes for things to move around. We looked at it, it would be going, you would barely probably see it moving, to be honest.
As it evolves, the universe passes through
3 billion years.
eras. Vast ages whose beginnings and endings are marked by unique milestones. The births and deaths of its wonders.
Oh, look at this. It's like cosmic web. The universe is just so fascinating.
Grand evolutionary sequence, cosmic evolution, about which we are only occasionally aware.
You guys think there's life out in the universe? Think about it. Think about how big the universe is. We are on a little speck in our galaxy. The sun can fit 1 million Earths inside the sun. And the sun, not even a big star. You have stars thousands, 100,000, million times bigger than the sun. And then in the galaxy you've got what? How many stars in the galaxy? Something like 2 billion or 200 billion. And then you've got a low estimate of 100 to 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. But some say could be closer to 2 trillion. 100, 200 billion, that's like a conservative estimate. And then each one of those galaxies has 200 billion stars in there. Each star has an average of 6 planets around it. And that's just in the observable universe. Then you've got universe outside that we can't observe because the light hasn't had time to come to us yet, because it never will. What do you reckon? Do you think we're alone in this vast universe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Gravity is the great creator, the constructor of worlds.
Gravity pulls everything together.
But gravity is also the destroyer, because it's relentless. When a star around 15 times the mass of our sun collapses, all the matter in its core is crushed.
Black holes are so...
known as a stellar mass.
I love black holes, they're so interesting. Spewing out all that plasma.
The immense gravitational pull of these monsters can rip a star apart. They tear matter from its surface and drag it into orbit. This superheated matter spins around the mouth of the black hole, and great jets of radiation fire from the core. Although these jets can be seen across the cosmos, the core itself remains a mystery.
Yeah, look at that thing just devouring that star. We're already 6 billion years in.
Throughout a star's life, there is a constant battle between energy pushing out and gravity pushing in. When it runs out of fuel, the star collapses and then explodes with the brightness of 1 billion suns.
That must be one hell of an event to see with your own eyes.
As the star is torn apart, it will fire out into space all the elements that it created in its life and death. These are new stars forming from the elements blown out by supernova explosions. New stars being born from the remains of dead ones. And it's from this universal process of death and rebirth that we emerged.
That's how you get planets,
Because
and
it was in
then
a nebula, just like
that's how you get certain elements. I wonder if every element we know has been created inside a star, or technically everyone, including me and including you, we are stardust. We are made from stars. You are a star. Me? I'm a star.
this 5 billion years ago that our sun was formed.
5 billion years ago.
Clouds of hydrogen collapse further and further under the force of gravity, and the life cycle of a new star has begun. A star was born that would come to be known as the sun.
The sun, baby. And it is born. Oh, bro.
Around it, a network of planets formed, Among them was the Earth.
Imagine being there to witness that.
Debris left over from the formation of the solar system collides with the Earth. Earth began life as a molten hell.
The early continents were still forming. The land was dominated by volcanoes, hostile and lifeless.
Yeah, because the Earth would have been like boiling hot at the start.
But deep in the oceans, life had begun.
No, we're already 10.3 billion years in. We've only got 3 billion years to go.
The latest theory is that chemicals spewing from underwater volcanic vents solidified and created the conditions needed for the first cells to form. For some 3 billion years, simple microscopic organisms were the most advanced form of life on the planet.
For 3 billion years, you just had microbes, and then from there, boom, everything. Interesting.
Cyanobacteria and other oxygen-producing microbes began to bloom. These flourished in colonies of plant-like microbes that pumped out enormous volumes of oxygen.
And thanks to that, we can breathe today.
And it was this increase in oxygen that was the key to the rise of the animal kingdom.
All billion years in.
Organisms started using oxygen to respire, yielding a lot more energy, which allowed the development of more complex life.
Just before complex life appeared, the world was in the grip of the biggest ice age in its entire history.
I wonder what caused that. We've only got 900 million years to go.
And then suddenly, advanced organisms appeared.
Suddenly you had a boom. Guys, look. It's an Anomalocaris.
What the fuck is this thing?
I'm an Anomalocaris.
What do you do?
I do my best.
I've been getting these videos on Instagram on my reel so many times. Let's carry on. Oh. Wait, go back. So, for about 3 billion years you had microbes, and then in 100 million years you got dinosaurs, and then 100 million years later, boom, they're dead. Then you got humans right at the very end. Time-lapse of the entire universe. That was a very cool. Created by Melody Sheep. If you like videos like this, guys, go over to Melody Sheep's channel. Follow them. And yeah. Alright guys, that was time lapse of the entire universe. That was actually very interesting. So they basically showed and explained how the universe started basically, and how time went on. You had gravity pulling all the gas in together. You had new stars being formed, stars exploding, creating new elements, creating new stars. And you know how our planet came into existence, and how our star was formed. What was it, around 9 billion years ago, something like that. But a very cool video. I was just thinking, imagine being there, seeing the birth of a star. Got me a little emotional, but like, imagine being able to witness that in person. It would be so fucking cool. Anyways, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing a few more space video reactions, like I said. So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, drop a like down below and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.